Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, we have Vishwajit Anand on our channel who has recently cracked, a lot of companies. But yes, for this particular video, we will be discussing about Capgemini. All over to you, Vishwajit. First of all, congratulations that you cracked so many companies. So he'll be sharing his interview experience with us and like complete pattern, exam pattern, interview experience, each and everything. So yeah, all over to you, Vishwajit. Let's discuss.
So, hi, I am Vishwajit. Currently, I am pursuing my degree from Vellore Institute of Technology, and I will graduate in 2022.
Mhm.
Currently, now I am placed in Capgemini. So, first of all, I will tell you the Capgemini visited in our college before 17th of August,
Mhm.
and registration happens on Superset platform, and we have registered in the Superset platform around 17 September, and and the exam was for both the roles, senior analyst and the analyst. It was combined exam, and those who have cleared the written round and the pseudo, mainly the pseudo code part was the important for the senior analyst, and those whose pseudo code part was those who have done the pseudo code part very well, they have shortlisted for the senior analyst, and one more coding round was there for the senior analyst, and those who have just cleared the pseudocode round, so they were shortlisted for the analyst round. And we have given the exam of the Capgemini around 28 September. So 28 September, I have given the exam, and the test pattern was like every round was elimination round. Okay,
Mhm.
every round was elimination round. Okay, first round was pseudocode round. So if you clear the pseudocode round, whatever the cutoff that is set by the company also,
Mhm.
uh, so if you clear that, so you will automatically go to the next section, like English section. Okay, next was English section, and if you clear that English section, then after you will go to the gaming round,
Mhm.
and after that, if you reach the gaming round, then after that automatically behavior round will be there, and the result will be out for the gaming round afterwards. So that was the main basic for the Capgemini recruitment process.
When you like gave the pseudocode part, okay. So on the same window itself, after completing the exam, you got the English round, or after some time?
No, after it was very continuous. Right after you, if you cleared the round, right after you will go to the next section. Okay, in the
Okay.
window there will be a pop-up of notification like next your next section is English section. Actually, I will tell you that my pseudocode round was not that good. I thought that I have not given that good so that I could clear the pseudocode round, but fortunately I have cleared the pseudocode round, and I
Mhm.
was moved to the next section. And English section was very easy, means I think it is very easy. And after English section, it went to the gaming round. And I will tell you honestly that I have not prepared that much for the pseudocode round and English code round because I have given so much companies tests. So I was prepared. Okay, I just practiced for the gaming round. Gaming round is the most important round, I think, in the Capgemini. So means in every game there was I think 4 or 5 games. Okay, and like of 5 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, like this only. So means minimum I think that you have to clear like 3 to 4 level for the shortlisting of the interview. I think so because I have practiced for the gaming round from the online sites or from seeing the YouTube and solving in the paper like this. I have practiced more. So all the students who I request you that if you are giving the Capgemini examination in the future, so please practice for the gaming round. Pseudocode round is also tough, little bit tough, but not that much tough. If you have basics, then you will clear the pseudocode round, but focus on the gaming round because in the gaming round, I
Mhm.
in each and every game I have went to the level 7 or level 8 in each and every game. I have went to the in one game. I think I have cleared level more than level 13 or 14. I am remembering them. So mainly focus on the gaming round because on the basis of that, you will be. I think you will be shortlisted for the interview.
Okay. So, what kind of do you remember any type of like pseudo codes, like topics were asked?
pseudocode topics currently I'm not remembering, but it was like means normal question were given, and some gates you have to solve with the help of the gates. Okay, so
Hmm.
there will be a logic including the gates. So all the question were like this only, same type of question, and including the gates that I'm remembering, because one before 1 month I have given, so I'm not remembering well. So
Okay, okay, move ahead.
gates type.
Hmm.
If you have basic, I think you will clear. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
great. So, Vishwajit, like you explained it very well about the complete, test pattern and everything. Just wanted to know, I mean, for people who are watching that, were there aptitude questions as well?
No, from the last few years, this year now pattern has changed of the on campus. I don't know about the off campus, but on the on campus pattern has changed. So there were no aptitude round. There were no aptitude round.
Okay, for you it was
Simply after clearing the pseudocode round, yeah, you will go to the English section, and after that gaming, and after that behavior.
okay, great. Fine. So now, very important. Let's move on to the interview section. I mean, how was your interview? Explain it.
Okay, so I have given exam on 28th September. So after on 5 October, mail came from the superset from the Capgemini, I think. So that whatever the behavioral round was there, whatever I answered in that round. So on 5 of October, a mail came that whole analysis of my that round. Okay, whole analysis that I have answered whatever the question they asked. So I have answered according to my thinking, according to my call. So they gave a PDF of the analysis of my thinking, or whatever work, means anything, what my behavior is. Simply you can say that what my behavior is on 5th of October. So and on 10th of October, mail came from my college that these are the students shortlisted for interview. So
Mhm.
my name was there. So around for among 4.5k students, only 250 students were shortlisted for the interview, and my them and half of them were for senior analyst, and half of them were for analyst role.
Okay.
So on 10th October, mail came that you were shortlisted for the interview, and interview was scheduled on 12th of October. So I think in my interview, like Capgemini interview, I think it is very easy to crack. If you crack the written round, so I think you will be placed, because interview of my experience, I'm telling you, interview round is very easy. And some of my friends were also giving the interview, so I asked them what they asked like that. Now, so they told me that so in this in a new pattern, TR plus HR both were in only in one interview. Combined interview was there. So from many of my friends who are shortlisted for the interview, so I asked them what they asked like this. Now, so they told that they don't ask any technical question. They asked only HR question. But when my turn came, they asked me technical question. They asked me only technical question and some HR question. So first of all, when the interviewer came, so they asked me, so where are you from? So I told him where I am from. And the second question was straight away. Second question was that like tell me a critical situation which you have faced in your life and how you dealt with. So I tell him and tell him the answer, and he was literally impressed by me. So he told me that this is the best example of today which I have got till now. So I think that maybe he is I think that he was impressed by me. So again, he asked me, okay, from which branch are you? So I told him I am from ECE branch. So he asked me that, okay, tell me a project which you have done in your college from core branch. So I want to tell all the students who are seeing this video and who are going to sit for the placements in the future. So I must give them advice that whichever branch you belong, so at least one project from your branch you should do in your college. Because see here, generally in the interview they ask, tell me about your projects. But in my Capgemini interview, he asked me that tell me a project which you have done in your branch. So fortunately, I have done a project in my branch. So I told him this is the project which I have done in my branch. So I explained him. He
Mhm.
was no cross question was there, so he was fine. And Then he asked me, okay, coming to the resume, he asked me which language you prefer. So I told him Java. So he asked me that what is the future of the OOPS concept? In your point of view, tell me the future of the OOPS concept. He asked me. So I told him. Then he asked me, okay, tell me the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. So I told him the difference. And next question he asked me, tell me the access modifier. So I told him the answer. And again, the next question he asked me, what is class loader? So this question was very basic question. And I was little bit nervous, so I forgot what is the class loader. So I told him, sir, I don't know, sir. So he told me, it's okay, it's okay. You don't know, it's okay. So then he asked me about means relocating, normal HR question, relocating, tell me your strength, like this question, normal HR question was there. So after that, he told me, okay, I am done, Vishwajit. If you want to ask me anything, so you can ask. Then I asked him about the culture. So, sir, tell me about the culture of your office, or like of your company. So he told me that before joining, he told me that, okay, you are, before joining only you want to know the culture of our office. So I was like, this was the first time I am hearing that, like this interview was saying. So I told him that. So he again asked me that, okay, tell me what made you do, what made you do that, you asked me this question. So I was like silent for a few seconds. Then I told, then what I have done, I used my mind and told him that, like, I have given in the, I have given in the answer that what made me do ask this question. Like, he is asking me why you want to join the Capgemini, why Capgemini you want to join. So in the basis of that, in the reference of that, I have given in the answer. So because I like your values in the Capgemini, like this Capgemini values their employees like this only. So I told him like this. I told the sir, and so I told him that, sir, this made me to ask you this question. So he was literally laughing and he was really impressed by me. So I think that he gave me a hint also that you will be placed, because he told me that before joining the company you want to ask me this question. So I thought that it is a hint that I will be selected.
Okay.
So, but after that, this was the last question. So I asked, then interview said, okay, fine, now you can disconnect from the superset. So this was my whole interview process.
Okay, that's great. I mean, your interview was quite interesting, and you answered very
Yeah,
well. I mean, questions, because there were some different types. Like the last question, HR question, which you said that what made you like ask this question. So
yeah,
you actually related, guys. Just in case, I mean,
yeah,
you
yeah,
ask any question and the interview asks you back any question on the top of that, so don't panic or like be lost that why he is asking me the question back. So you answer it on a very calm manner. Take your time, like Vishwajit said that he took actually three four some time to answer that, but yes, your answer was a genuine one. So yes, that is more important, I guess. Also, like in the technical part, like he said that I would like to summarize this, that most of the time the technical questions are not being asked in the interview part, but yes, do not take it as a what you say, 100% truth that they won't be asking. But yes, your basics should be clear, your concepts should be clear, that matters most. Just in case you get some questions of technical questions, you are able to answer those calmly.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so
It is on the
Vishwajit.
luck. Yeah,
Okay, so Vishwajit, I would
yeah.
like to
It is
ask
on the
you,
luck. If your luck is not good, then
tell,
yes.
I think 2-3 seconds का gap आ रहा है, that's why.
Okay.
हाँ.
So I was telling that it is on the luck. If your luck is good, then no technical question will be there from the interviewer. If your luck is not that good, then only technical question will be there from you.
Okay, fine. So, Vishwajit, last, do you want to share some kind of like invaluable suggestions, or you can say tips or strategies, what people call it? Do you want to share something like that, especially for freshers?
For the preparation.
Yeah.
So first of all, as in my college, first of all, for the aptitude test in my college, Face company was there, which were preparing for the aptitude part. So I must tell all the freshers that if you want to be good in the aptitude section, you can search in the Google of the Face Prep class. So I think this is the best company, and it will be more enough for aptitude section. So I only practiced from the Face Prep, okay, and I will tell you honestly that I am not practiced that much. I practiced in the college only, so it is means I did not give time on the aptitude section like English section. It is very basics. So I will tell you one thing. I have given the examination of TCS, Wipro, and Infosys, Capgemini, but Infosys English section was very good, I will tell you. So those who are preparing for the Infosys placement process, I will tell them that please at least give time for the English section.
Hmm.
In these all company, I feel that Infosys company English section was very good. It was very good. It was very up to the mark. I thought that I will not clear the English section, means it was very good, but fortunately I cleared. But those who are preparing for the Infosys company, so please give time on the, please practice more and more on English sections. So, and for the English section, it was normal online search and normal, we are searching in the Google like any question from the English, means normal practice. And like this, and for the interview part, you can refer some like Glassdoor is there, you can refer that. And Geeks for Geeks is there, you can refer that. You can take the reference from that question, that interview details from the Geeks from Geeks. And many YouTube videos are there, like this video I am preparing, so someone will see this video and whatever question I have told now, so they can know that this question will be asked in the interview. So like this only I have prepared for the interview. So this was the very best, I will tell. This was the only from
Correct.
which I have
So,
prepared
internet
for the
is,
exam.
yeah, yeah. Internet is a vast, knowledge base, you can
Yeah,
say.
yeah.
So, yeah, you can
Really.
prepare it. You need not to go anywhere, but just your basics should be clear. That's it. And most importantly, is the confidence. That confidence comes through your knowledge and a smile on your face, which I mostly tell people
Yeah.
while giving the interview.
Yes, yes. I was confident, so that's why I not practiced. But I practiced. It is not that I am not have not practiced. I practiced, but I have confidence that I will clear that.
Correct,
So
correct. Yeah.
yeah,
So, fine. So, guys, we will Vishwajit, explained each and every point very clearly. I think the pattern and everything. So, I hope all the points are being clear. Just in case you have any doubt, you can let us know on the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. And yes, we are closing this video right here for Capgemini. So, yeah, you can subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. And yes, once more, Vishwajit, congratulations for your future journey with Capgemini, that you grow very very soon. So all the best.
thank you.
So till then, guys, have a great day, be safe, take care, bye.